guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video we are gonna be talking about dental plaque, and I'm gonna be showing you a natural remedy that you are gonna use to get rid of dental plaque, dental tartar, dental decay, and also mouth odor. Okay, this is just going to help you to get rid of all of that, and you are going to be having a shining, brighter teeth and also a fresh breath. Okay, so if you want to know what it comprises, please do continue watching, and please hit on the like button and also on the subscribe button. And yeah guys, also hit on the bell right beside the subscribe button, so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, please do that on my website. Alright guys, follow me on Instagram. Now let's dive into this video. Now the first ingredient we're going to be needing will be alum. Now we need this so much because alum naturally whitens up substance, so it's just going to help us in whitening up the teeth. But as also, if we have to use alum for the teeth, we have to use it once in a week and in a very short minute. Okay, like in a very short and very snappy time. Okay, it's just going to help in whitening up the teeth so much, and it's also going to help to protect the gum. What we're going to do is to get the alum powder, and I'm supposed to blend this alum, although it's very difficult to blend alum, but of course I'm just going to create it, so I can just get just a little bit of it. It's just going to be okay. This is going to sound really noisy when blending. Alright, so let's do that. Since we don't need much, this little is okay. Alright, you can see there's water inside of this bowl, that's why you can see much of it. But of course this little that we were able to get is okay. Then the next ingredient we're going to be needing, we're going to be putting in a little bit of Vaseline, because Vaseline would help in protecting the gum as well as helping so much in whitening up the teeth with the help of other natural ingredients that I'm going to be needing. Okay, now we're going to be scooping in the Vaseline, and then we're going to be taking just a little of the Vaseline. Then we're just going to put it. And the next ingredient I'm going to be needing will be bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda. Now baking soda is a very mild exfoliator to the skin. It helps to make the skin smooth, radiant. It also helps to whiten up the teeth because it contains a whitening substance that helps to whiten up the teeth. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've actually mixed everything, but I didn't know the camera wasn't recording. So what I did is that then I added up half tablespoon of the baking soda. Now, and the next ingredient we're going to be needing will be coconut oil. Now, as well as coconut oil helps so much for the skin and also for the hair, it is also important that we use coconut oil for the teeth, because it will help to protect the gum against any bacterial and it will also help in protecting it against any harmful substance. Okay, so it's going to leave the teeth whiter, it's going to protect the gum, it's going to help to remove dental plaque and tartar and also decay. Okay, so that's why we need this a whole lot. So for the coconut oil, although I've actually already put in, so I'm just gonna be putting in, so I'll show you guys how, you know, I came about this mixture. Alright, now I would just have to mix this and mix it really well. So after you've mixed this, you're gonna be needing a toothbrush, you know, to brush with this. Alright, so the thing is that all of these things are actually very good. Then you're going to take this, let it be very full, just like this, and then you're going to brush your teeth in this direction, and then you brush the inner part and also this other side. Make sure you brush the moles of the teeth so well, just, you know, like where I'm putting it right now. And then last of all, you would have to brush your tongue. And when you're brushing your tongue, you're going to, you know, do that in a circular motion, okay, so that all of the white substance that is actually on your tongue will be gone. And the thing is that when your tongue is actually looking white, it is dirty, so it has to look like the tongue color, which is red, you know. So you have to brush that in a circular motion, and after that you spit it all out, wash your mouth with water, and you're good to go. Now for this treatment, you have to repeat it once in a week. You don't use it more than once in a week, guys. You have to repeat this treatment once in a week, and after that you're good to go. Okay, so that's it, guys. And when you do that, all of your dental plaque, your dental tartar, your dental decay, and every other mouth odor, everything is just gonna go. Alright guys, so that is it. Now if you're actually using this treatment for dental plaque, you have to use it once in a week, and it's just going to help you to control mouth odor and remove, you know, it's just going to kill bacteria in your gum, your teeth, and it's good. Okay, so go try it. And yeah guys, if you did love this video, please hit on the like button below, and also hit on the subscribe button, and click on the bell right beside the subscribe button, so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions, please drop them on my website, and I'll see you soon in my next video, guys. Stay beautiful. Bye guys. Mwah.